Seashells and Shelby, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Hey, how y'all doing? I've been very busy. It's been a very hectic couple of days, weeks. I don't even know. I would say days. I don't know if it's been, I don't know anymore. I have a bunch of side quests that I've been doing. I'm not ready to tell y'all all about those side quests yet, but I've also been ordering some stuff for my apartment. When am I not ordering stuff for my apartment? Like little things, obviously. So I wanted a rug to put in front of my couch, and I've been searching high and low. People, when you couldn't tell me it's a rug expensive, when you couldn't tell me it's a carpet, and something that is like extremely expensive. I didn't know it was that bad. Anyways, don't know, me and Shane got together real bad, and my carpet is here. Well, I'm gonna say rug. My little rug is here, and I'm so excited. Like, I am so impatient. I have to open it up right now, and then when we go upstairs, we'll put it together. Well, not put it together, just put it down and see if it looks good. You see all these colors? Like, I'm probably say ew, but let me tell you, I said this probably on my live. I don't know if I said it in my YouTube video. I probably did, but I want my living room to be very maximalist. To be honest, I am a maximalist at heart. I really do think I'm a maximalist at heart. I don't really go much for the minimalism. It depends on my mood. So I want different rooms in my apartment to have a different vibe. You know, the bathroom under the sea. You know, in my room is, you know, the adult, the bougie. We're not really reached there yet, but you know, we're keeping it very neutral. My dining area, I'm still trying to figure that out. The kitchen, not just the kitchen. The kitchen is like stay the kitchen. It's not a very big space, and yeah, the living room is where when I walk in I have to say, whoa, this feels like an Airbnb. Wow, this just gives, like, you know, like those boutique hotels. They're very artsy, or I don't know, something. But anyways, color scheme for my living room, I want to do a bunch of colors. So y'all know the teal already. So you know, teal, orange, yellow, like pastel pink, blue. It's Serogano of the four. It got all the colors of the rainbow, but it still will work. I believe that it can still work. The real question is it big enough? Shein have this good dirty style now. They are starting to separate all my orders, and I don't like it. In the package, I literally have one lip liner. They're sending the one lip liner. I'm gonna have to pay $700 for one lip liner. Then they sent some other things, some other little things, when they could have just put everything together. Hold on. Hello? Come here, wonder where you're going. You know, you literally just drive straight. Hey, you go around the world. So guys, Shanita just came. We were on the road together. So mega see how this look inside, and then okay, let's go. The colors are fine. The size, not so much. For some reason I thought it would have been, you know, longer. The width, it could have been a little bit longer, but I knew, well, wider, I mean. I knew that this was the width, but the length, and it is very flimsy. Why? So I don't have to trust them sites sometimes, you know. Like, it's cute, but it's flimsy. But honestly, I'm going to make it work until I get a new one. It's very thin. Okay, it's also a new day, so there's that. I need a reset, and I think that's what I want to do. I think that's what I want to do in this video. So we're gonna start with my hair. I need to wash my hair, put in my treatment, and then I'm going to try and sort out the rest of this living corner. So, you know, I was trying to clean it up in, what, 2 vlogs ago. I was trying to get rid of a lot of the boxes and try to find space for some of these things to go, etc, etc. I really would have loved if the sun was out today so I could at least wash some things, because a lot of the things out here are some dirty things I need to wash. I've never showed you guys this side of the apartment before because it is just atrocious, but hey, this is a no judgment zone, right? And if you judge me, I don't really care, because I did this voluntarily. So yeah, that's what over there looks like. This bag is some dirty clothes. That is some dirty clothes. This, I think I just need to throw away whatever is in. I'm actually scared to look in there. That duffel bag right there has a bunch of stuff that I need to just sort out and throw away. And then the dining table and everything. It's a lot of work. And don't let me get started on my bedroom. Like, you guys do not want to see the condition it's in. At this point, I don't even know what's dirty from what's clean anymore. We're gonna start off with my hair. And the reason that we're gonna start off with my hair is because while I leave the deep conditioning thingy in, I'm just going to try and sort out the other things, and then I'll go back and wash my hair. I didn't really do that properly, did I? Where's my planner? I need my planner so I can just write all of this down, because I don't know where my planner is. I'm already reaching that stage of Canva, but I need to push on. I need to do this. I need to get out of this mindset. This lamp is supposed to go in my room, but I don't have a nightstand yet, so it's gonna stay here in the meantime, because out here kind of gets extremely dark. The thing is, you don't normally plan on the day. You normally plan like the day before. Self-care, I'm not ready for that yet either. Alright, daily planner. Today is Thursday. See, me all start on a bad day. Monday, Tuesday. I am the problem. I cannot use this planner. It is set out a certain way that I have to use it exactly how it's made, and I'm not in the mood. So I'm gonna go find my planner. Hold on. So I found it. This little one, it's a weekly planner. It's non-dated, so I love that. This made my life a little bit easier. So this is what it looks like. And then these are the days on one page. So honestly, even if I reach a Thursday, it's still on the same page, so the page no waste. You know what I mean? Right. Alright, so let me just write down what I have to do for the rest of the week. Since today is Thursday, may try to change my life, you know, people. May try to change my life. But maybe I should not have done this midweek. But we need to get out of that mindset. We need to get out of that mindset that we have to start things on a Sunday or a Monday, or we need to start things on the 1st of the month, or we need to start something January 1st, because life not really work that way there. And if you keep on putting off things, then you'll never get anything done. So let's just get out of that mindset. So what I'm going to do today, wash my hair, do the content. Okay. Ooh, post calico jack vid. Honestly, once I get my hair out of the way and my room, then I can focus on other things. We're gonna do my hair right now. Let's go. Alexa, volume up.
Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I got to be joking when I say I don't think I can wait. I just need it now. Let it swing my way. I just need some dick. I just need some love. Tired of fucking with these lame niggas, baby. I just need a love. Won't you be my love? You could be the one, ayy. Can start with a handshake, baby. I'ma need more than a hug. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Oh, nah.
So my hair is done. Well, it's not done. It is. The treatment is in. The first thing I'm going to tackle is my room. I have to put on the most, the comfiest thing I can find, because I'm just not in any mood. And really and truly, if it weren't for the camera, I would probably be a little bit more naked. But I'm trying to put on clothes for the internet. I could be more decent, but I know that I'm gonna go back in the shower and wash this out and then bathe again. So yeah, okay, I'm about to do that. We're gonna tackle this monstrosity that I have in here. I am very ashamed. Don't come for me. We're going through a lot.
By a lot, you mean drugs.
Busy time for me. When I show you, don't scream, don't do the most. I don't know how it happened either, and I'm sure you're seeing the mess in the kitchen too. Like the whole place is just a mess, but I just like go sometimes, and all the time my place clean. But guess what? That's what this is for. I'm gonna clean it, and I'm taking you guys along. I'm gonna lie, I'm gonna lie wicked. I'm going like say the place clean every day, and it's always spotless, and I'm just this luxurious aesthetic clean girl. Aesthetic, very aesthetic, static. But I'm not. This year, I try not to be as messy. I'm not nasty, I'm not dirty. I'm messy. I can admit that. Sometimes, if there's a mess on my bed, I will go like this, shh, and sleep from the side here and deal with the next side the next day or a couple of days after. But anyways, that's not the point. The point is I'm trying to snap out of that. Not only for this year, but for the rest of my life. So yeah, let's just sort out this situation because I really don't know. I don't know how we got here. I'm gonna dash in a box there too. Come to know why the box. Anyways, let's just go.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a G Don't Care production. Whoa, Missy, the princess is here. See this beat is
Automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky, fresh. With my body so melodic, this beat rolls right through my chest. Everybody, Martin, Poppy came to party. Grab somebody, work your body, let me see you when you step. Rock it, don't stop it. Everybody get on the floor, break the party up. We about
People, my flabber is gasted. You know how much electronics I find in the little box here that I've been searching for, and I lucky knew that they were in the box. I just did not want to unpack everything out of the box. And yeah, some people have like a specific couch in their room, right? Or they have a table, or they have something in them room where them just put things. Like, is either I'm wear something and it's not really dirty yet, so I don't want to put it in the laundry, so I'm gonna put it on the couch. If I use something and I'm not ready to put it back where I got it from yet, but I know I'm soon use it again, or I think I'm soon use it again, we'll put it on the couch. I don't have a couch in my room. That box was my little me soon look at it box, and then it became full. Honestly, I don't even remember what came in that box, because if you look at the bottom of the box, the box was supposed to be thrown away because it had other empty boxes in it, so it was supposed to be thrown away. I don't know when it became storage, but I am throwing it away today, and I will not have any of that type of thing going on in my room again. This is atrocious. No. Did I bite off more than I can chew? Is it giving only my room will be cleaned today? I don't know. Alright, I'm trying to repack my drawers because there's a lot of clean clothes that just need to be folded. But my drawers are a complete mess. Just look at them. Just like, and I'm not even going to show you guys up there yet. We're gonna fix up there, but boy, got my work cut out for me. All right, let's go. I'm tired, and it's time for me to wash this thing out of my hair. As you can see, this is how far I've gotten very far actually. This is going in the wash. I just need to organize my hats. The shirt I just took off, and really and truly I'm gonna put it back on because it's not dirty, but actually I go put it on back after I wash out my hair, because the back of this shirt is now wet because my hair is dripping, and I'm not gonna put it back on. So I'm gonna go wash out my hair and then come back. Alright, so while my hair is wet, we're gonna go in with this Subaki oil. It's an oil treatment because, as you guys know, well, if you're new here and you don't know, I have dry scalp and it flakes up a lot and my hair is breaking because of it, and I don't moisturize my hair and all of that stuff, which is why I have these 1,000,001 steps right now for my relaxed hair care. So yeah, apply 1 to 2 pumps to damp hair from mid-length to ends. Blow dry or let dry naturally. Reapply on dry hair to minimize flyaways and condition split ends. Mid to end. So we're gonna use this leave-in spray. This is the Affair Fix All Leave-In and Let Work spray. And that's what that looks like. Rub it up. 1 hand for this side and 1 hand for that side. And that's it. Do not use a brush or a rat tail comb to detangle your hair. Use this. Whoa! You know, normally when I wash my hair, it's not this easy to detangle even though I have relaxed hair. But this is literally gliding through it like butter. Like it even looks and feels shiny. Well, it can't feel shiny. Shelby, you're just making shit up. But it does look shinier. And not as much hair came out, even though you guys probably felt like it was a lot of hair that was coming out. That is not the worst it can get. So I'm gonna let it air dry for a little bit, just a little bit, while I try to straighten up the rest of my room. And then afterwards I will sit down under my blow dryer with the hooded thingy over it and try to flat wrap the top so it's flat on my head, and then just blow dry it regularly while using this to brush it out, and then I'm gonna flat iron it. Jesus, this took me all day. All right, it's been probably over half an hour since I've just been sitting down, letting it do its thing. And just because I could not be bothered with the blow dryer noise in my ears, that's why I didn't get up and get it. So we're just gonna wrap this around my head. This is all I can find. I can't find any more. And now it's time for the noise. I'm not excited for this. I'm not excited for this. Going under my hooded dryer. Put these over my ears so they don't burn off. Just put this end into the blow dryer and that's it. Just a little bit so I can actually really tell if it's actually dry or if it's just hot, because I don't want to put the flat iron on damp hair. So yeah, I'm gonna make it cool out just a little bit more, and then we're gonna get to flat ironing because I'm over this. I just want it to be over. I'm gonna lie to you guys, I'm just so not in the mood to do my hair right now, so I'll probably do it a little bit later and then wrap it and go to bed. Yeah, but in the meantime I'm gonna continue cleaning my room, try to clean up the dining room, and figure out what I'm gonna eat because I'm actually really hungry now. It's been a long day, but I told myself that today and tomorrow I definitely just want to clean as much, you know, surface level, not like a deep clean, because I don't know when I'm gonna do the mopping and all them someday. This is not today. And I had it out if it's gonna be tomorrow either. There's a fly in here that I need to catch. I need a zapper because as soon as I open my window, no matter how clean in here is, 1 or 2 flies, shoom, 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 all over the place. Like I hate it because most times I just have to keep the windows closed and it's very annoying. But yeah, let's go back into my room. Ciao. Tired. See, I could have gotten this room done so long ago because it's not much left to do. This, I had this on, oh Jesus, and put the wet cloth on my bed. This is what happens when you try to multitask, film and do hair and blah 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 blah. This is my get ready with me towel. It has some velcro on it as well as buttons, so it will not come off. I find it on Shein. What else do I need to take off of my bed? Like I know that I need to take everything that's here off my bed. All right, laundry, this is makeup. This is my scarf that I'm gonna wear tonight. I also got this in my package, my hair care package, that I got from my hairdresser, Good Body Cheryl. Honestly, all them something when you see in my hand, I'm going to put them in my miscellaneous drawer. You know that one drawer that we have where you just fling everything in? Yeah. I ain't them I go put all of them something right now because I just can't bother. I don't have the time for this. I don't know. Put in my miscellaneous drawer. Gone. I need to find my sheet though. We're gonna go with the gray. This time I have more sheets. I just can't find them. I had like this beige sheet that would have went very well with my curtains, but I can't find it. Actually, I found the sheet, but I don't know where the pillowcases are for them. So am I gonna put these on and then put on gray pillowcases? I don't really want to do that, but at the same time, I don't care that much. Alright, so tomorrow I'm going to find the pillowcases for this and wash them and put them on. But just for tonight, the gray one's gonna have to do. The other pillow is a little bit wet, so I'm letting it air dry so I can put this one on. It's because I left the towel on it by accident, the same one that I used to dry my hair. So yeah, so I'm gonna be sorry when I tell you guys that I have not done much since the last clip you have seen. I don't even remember what the last clip was. I literally took out fish to cook and immediately, well not immediately, probably like 10 minutes later decided that I don't want to cook anymore. So I ordered pizza. I'm not in the mood to cook and there's this one fly that won't leave. I must get you now. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat this and watch my series. I've been watching BoJack Horseman lately and I love it. Honestly, I don't even think I'm gonna flat iron my hair tonight. I might just do it tomorrow instead. I don't know if this will be the last time you guys will see me tonight, but if it is, good night, bye. Good morning. It is the next day. I just woke up. I just need to wake myself up first. That's not the actual face washing routine. I was on live last night. Here we go, big reveal. Da, 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 da. So remember I didn't flat iron it last night, so this is just straight blow dried here. So let's see what it looks like. Not bad, not bad at all. It is a little bit dry though, so I know I need to put some of that oil in there. I'm happy I did this though instead of going in with the flat iron yesterday because it felt a little bit heavy-ish. I don't know why I'm doing this. When I don't need to do this, I can just, and it still moves. You know something that have a flat iron in it? Alright guys, so you know I'm kind of all over the place, but I have some things to do. I have 2 packages to pick up. One of them, I mean, you'll see it when I pick it up, and the other one I have to go to my shipping company because remember I'm telling you, say she done split up my order them, so them keep on come one, and I have no patience to wait on delivery, so I rather just go pick it up myself. I need to hurry up and come off the road because the traffic, it's only 12:21 and the traffic is terrible. I'm at this complex. Remember I had a mirror frame that I took from my house in Portland that I said I wanted to like revamp and put a mirror in there and hang it up in my apartment. So I found a place that I could put the mirror in and fix it up and all them something there, and that's where I am. It's called the Mirror City JA and they're at Mail Complex. I'll put the address up on the screen because I don't remember how much Malines Road it is, but yeah, that's where I am. So we're gonna go up there and pick it up now. And I also got another mirror from them as well for my room. You guys have probably seen it every now and then, but I never properly tell no where I got it from because I knew that I had dropped off this frame, so I just wanted to show both of them one time. Boy, sometimes me feel like me need to think before I talk because all the words are in my head, but when I time to spit them out, they don't come out properly. But anyways, let's go. And oh yes, I changed my part to a side part because I feel like I looked more done up, even though I didn't do nothing. But yeah, let's go. lot better than the last mirror. I don't think I even showed you when I was doing that last mirror, but anyways, it fit. Oh, and I'm gonna go to my shipping company now and see if my other packages reach. I know one is there, but would I really love if the other one didn't reach too. So let's go there. I'm so tired. I'm tired and I'm hungry. I don't know what to eat. I feel for Subway. Subway expensive, so we'll see. I'm fed up. It's the one that I knew was here, but Lord Jesus, man, I was hoping that the others were here as well. I'm gonna go back home now and try to clean up, cause child, I need to clean up. Let me go eat. But this is more Subway though. Do I really want Subway? Can I make something at home? Decisions. All I've been doing is collecting packages. All I do is collect packages. But this one, of course, I was excited for because y'all know I love me some jewelry. And once you hear jewelry, you know it's from Ana Luisa. So I got 2 new pieces to try out for you guys in honor of Valentine's Day coming up. Yeah, I'm reminding you guys that if you have a special one or a loved one out there, or even just for like a Galentine's or a just because gift, Ana Luisa is the plug. Let's see what these 2 are. Let me see what I got. So the first one we have is Capri Silver. It's a chain necklace. It's 16 inches. And of course, it's in silver because what? I'm a silver girl. Period. It's so minimal and cute. I have to put this on like right now. It's very lightweight, but it also feels very durable. It's not flimsy. It's very nice. I love it. It's so dainty and cute. One thing I love about Ana Luisa, you're always gonna get very cute, very simple pieces. Even though they're simple and small, somebody's gonna walk up to you and be like, oh my god, this is so cute. Where did you get this? It's always gonna get compliments. I can wear it in the shower. I can wear it to the beach. I can wear it to the pool. I can literally wear it through the stormy weather. And at the end of it, nothing's gonna happen to it. I'm yet to see one of the pieces tarnish. Clock that. The next piece we have is preferred metal is silver, but there are times when an outfit will call for gold, so I needed to up myself with more gold stuff. This one is called Aina Bold, the chain necklace, and it's 16 inches. It's like, what do you call this, like tailbone? I don't remember the term for this, but I've always wanted one of these, and I feel like this would go very well for like my casual outfits, or it would go really well. I wanted to layer my necklaces. Very cute, and I feel like I got the right length as well. I don't like necklaces that are too long, and I don't like them to be choking me, so I feel like this is a very good length. So if you need some high quality pieces, then make sure you click the link in my description box for some money off your order. And thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this portion of the video. Guess what I got today? I picked up some more packages. I know you guys are probably like, every day I pick up a package. Yes, for the past 3 days, I have been at my shipping company because remember when I told you they kept sending my things one? This is the result. We're gonna open this one first. Finally, have a dish drainer. Where is my, this big door? This look big. It's a two-tier dish drainer. I hope it can hold. All right, let's see if I can put this together quickly. Put it in my kitchen now. Now this one, I hope it doesn't disappoint me, but this is supposed to be my side table. And I know you guys are wondering, that is supposed to be a side table? Yeah, same. When I saw the box, I was like, oh hell no. Oh hell no. I just kind of prepared myself for disappointment because, but at this point, yes, it's pink. No instructions, just bags. Honestly, it's 3 pieces. What more instructions do I really need? This is actually very tiny. What am I gonna learn now? This is what the side table is supposed to look. This is for a child. One scream, one scream. It's so cute though. It's so cute. Alright, let me move this and actually see what it would look like. My makeshift side table is right here. This is what I've been using since I didn't have one. Move that on out the way. Is it bad? Is it bad? I don't think it's terrible. It's not terrible. Remember that this lamp is also not going to stay right here, so I want to put something on it to at least raise it up a little. Bro. No, my dreams are not coming true. Whatever, fuck it. Anyways, moving on. Yeah, underwear, everybody just get up and walk away. So I found some 100% cotton underwear because I realized that the underwear that I've been buying, it has cotton in it, but it's not 100% cotton. And I want 100% cotton. So I bought 15 of them. Good quality granny panties so I can sleep comfortably at night. I'm gonna wash these today. I don't need to see the ins and the outs of what I have on under my clothes. This one from Luisa, and it's jewelry, but I'm gonna probably already see it at the beginning of the video, so there's that. So going forward, I'm gonna buy the rest of my stuff on Etsy. It never failed me. I'm happy though that I got that little side table because, so I got this on sale, right? When I was seeing it on Pinterest, all of the sites is the same size and everything that all the other sites have it for, and they must sell it for like $200, $100. I mean, I said, brother, for that size, and like when I look at the weight and all that, I said, brother, I'm not paying $100 and $200 for that. So I found a bandula one, and it's the same size and everything. This is actually the size that I measured it to be, so I'm not shocked by the size necessarily. I knew it was going to be small, but you know, sometimes when you know things are gonna be a certain size, but then when you see it in person, it's just like, oh, okay, that's what happened there. I'm not 100% mad, but I don't know. No, maybe in here just want to clean up. No, fuck it. Ignore my plate that I need to wash, but this is what over here has been looking like all this time. So now I finally have somewhere to put my things. Perfect. And it fit perfectly too. Okay, period. I want this the other way though, so I'm going to fix that. And just ring and take. Finally, over here looking like a kitchen. Jeez. Hello everyone. It's been several hours later. I have been working. I've been doing a lot. Finally got rid of one of the boxes that was in the living room, and yeah, I also tried to rearrange my island. There, I put up a shelf. I'm gonna put the other shelf over here, so that's situated. So that's what the dish drainer is looking like. Very functional. I am exhausted. I think I want to work on the dining table right now, so I can just get this stuff off and maybe I'll feel a little bit better about myself. So this is what the dining table is looking like right now. The living room is taking the longest to do because I just don't have storage. I don't know where to put the things. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to finish how I want to tonight. I am just extremely tired. I'm going to take a pharmacold and flu because for some reason I don't want to get sick. I do not want to get sick. Two of my friends now are telling me that they feel like they're getting sick. I just got better. But just get better, I'm easy sick. I'm gonna go call it on for myself. In Jesus' name, I will be fine. I'm gonna take the necessary precautions. I'm not in the mood.
Just open on my phone and it's setting me safe. So I hop on a 4-5 and I'm speeding. I just switched the only OGs, they delete it. All your friends, fans, and names, they agree it. And I don't like that, you know I like that. I'm about to pull up on the field, some white cross, baby. Expensive taste, these girls got expensive taste. Tryna up my weight, but I don't really got the patience.
time until I get this wall situated. I feel like I want to put the frame here, or I want to put it over there. Either way, I do not want this picture here. I never wanted this picture here. I hate this picture here. So I think it goes. Thumb down. Thumb down. I love the picture. I just don't want it right there. I'm wondering if it's even safe since it's just one hook up there. Let me get the frame. If you guys need a reminder, this is the frame. Right? It's quite big. So let me unwrap it and then try to put it up and show you guys what it looks like. Let's attempt. Me hope in the drop down. Me hope in the drop down. Over there looks so different now. It looks so different. But I just love my frame. I love the frame so much. It's just so antique. Family history and all those things. I'll show you guys better in the day tomorrow. It still want to clean up a little bit, but I'm gonna do that myself. It look lean. It's a little bit lean, or me lean. Oh, me did lean. It's a nice frame. I can't wait to put it on this wall horizontally. That's what I want right there. I still don't know what I want right here. So, I don't know. I'm so happy that I was able to get a mirror back in this frame because it just brought it back to life, and I knew I should not give up on this frame. So big up the Mirror City JA for putting the mirror in this frame for me. So they don't only just sell mirrors, they actually like refurbish the frames and all of that stuff. Or if you just have a frame and you want a mirror in there, they can do that too. So just go on their Instagram, send them a message, and they'll tell you all the details. But yeah, mwah, chef's kiss. I love it. It's giving. I'm gonna cook right here. Take my selfie. If only it was a little bit lower, then I probably would have left it here. Actually, probably not. I want it here on this wall. I don't want the kitchen as the background when I'm taking my snaps. No. I need my living room to be the background. When I get my decor and stuff on, all of them wonderful, nice, very. Yeah. Hi guys, the next day, I think. I don't even know anymore. But the cleaning continues and I'm going to tackle up here. I mean, it's not much to tackle, but still gonna tackle it. I just need to rearrange and wipe it off. I've been neglecting up here for the longest while. I'm not even gonna tell you how long I have not even looked up here, cleaned up here. Just gonna move on like all is well. Dusty. Raw. I don't like the idea of keeping a lot of stuff on a chest of drawer. Let me go get my Lysol wipes. Dry dust it first because it makes no sense to put a cleaner on a dusty surface. Like, it just never cleans properly if you do that. And then I'm gonna go in with my Lysol spray. Wow, I forgot how black this was because it hasn't been cleaned. That is so embarrassing. Anyways, it's clean now. I have nowhere to put this yet because I haven't put the nail in the wall yet to hang it up over my bed. So honestly, maybe I could just catch it right there. You're going right there. I don't know if that's a good idea, you know. I tell the truth, I don't know if that's a good idea. I could see it look from far. That is terrible. If we have one earthquake, right? Because I'm going to put my perfumes up there, you know. What if an earthquake happens and this shake and knock down the whole of my perfume then? Oh! I'll be pissed. So actually, no. Maybe I should hang it here instead of over my bed. That don't look too bad. I guess that's the new idea. But for now, I'm just gonna put back the stuff that I had up there. First things first, you already know I gotta put my candle. And if you don't know where my candle is from, and if you haven't been keeping up with the vlogs, it's from Dossier. Come on now, scent of the day from Dossier. I always tell you guys that Dossier has replicas of luxury scents at a fraction of the cost. So you know the YSL, Tom Ford, Chanel perfumes for like $29.99 the least. They also have candles and they have room diffusers, and I just have everything Dossier. So this is the Amber Vanilla. As you can see, I already started using it, and this is the dupe for YSL's Black Opium. I like to keep it here. And I also have 2 new scents. Yeah, I have a couple new scents. I left the other boxes in my car and the car is not here at the moment. So I only have 1 of the boxes. And this is a new scent. It's actually a male scent that I'm probably going to give to my dad, but it's musky oak moss. And this is the dupe for Creed's Aventus. I really like it. I really like it. That's why I always get it. Every time I get like male scents, I try to get this one. It's not as, I don't know, something about it. It's literally the same bottle and everything, but you just give man. It smells so good. I have this one called Floral Marshmallow. I believe it's for the scent Killian. I'm gonna put it up on the screen, but I really do like it. It's a little less than half now. I've been using it for a while. Look at daily errands and all of that. So it's very sweet. So if you're a very sweet, florally type of girl, you would actually really like this. I'll put this, I don't know how I'm gonna set up here yet because I never really actually set up there. So it's with me. So and yeah, if you want any of these, any Dossier scent, whether it be perfume or candle or room diffuser, I have the room diffuser in my bathroom, then just go on their website, which will be linked in the description box below, so you can go purchase some Dossier. You understand? Scent of the day, Dossier. Put up my jewelry box. I think I'm gonna put it on this side. There are a lot of perfumes here. And my little leaf, like a leaf bowl. I keep miscellaneous items in there, but I soon change that. Miscellaneous drawer. The rest of these are gonna go in the bathroom. So I have a vitamin E oil and my Vaseline. This is my emergency roll-on when I run out of this one. So when I say roll-on, I mean an actual roll-on. When last when you actually use one of them? Look a little more of these. Oh, how did I forget this one? My Valentino. And I have this Bible. I've had this Bible since either prep school or high school. I don't remember. Honestly, I think it's prep school. I've had this Bible and I brought it to every house. I don't read it enough. I should read it. I should read it a lot more often. I literally put it on top because I told myself that I wanted to start reading it. I did read a verse out of it when I just moved in. Before I actually slept here, I did read a verse and groan in the house and bless my place. I don't know if everybody does it differently. I don't know how everybody else do it. I just did it my way, and it's been here ever since. And this is the thing right here. Yeah, very basic, but who cares? It's clean. We don't care about nothing else as long as it's clean. Clean is the goal right now, nothing else. As for the living room, I'm done for the day, or done for this weekend. I will try to continue next weekend. The kitchen, I just need to clean up the island because I was doing some unboxings and stuff on the kitchen island. But other than that, the kitchen is clean, the plate and wash up. My bathroom is fine. I still need to do laundry, but that's not going to be done today either. Yeah, I'm just editing this very vlog so I can just finish it and move on with my life and start a new vlog for you guys. I want to try to get back to posting 2 times a week instead of once a week because I realized I slipped back into the once a week posting, but I actually did like posting 2 times a week. Anything more than that is kind of overkill. I think 2 is fine. Like Sundays and Wednesdays, I think that is fine. So I'm gonna go to the living room. All right, so I'm actually put back the picture and I put the candle in front of it. So yeah, that's what that's looking like. Just so I don't forget, this is the other mirror that I got from the Mirror City JA. Love. You see this standing mirror? Look at the detailing. I don't know what color to call this. It's not gold. It is like a metallic color, but it's not necessarily silver either. So I don't even know like what color it is, but it is beautiful and I thought it went well with my room. Yeah. This is the mirror for selfies. Big up the Mirror City, man. Like, come on now. Come on now. This is the part of the video where I believe we say that's a wrap. I'm pretty sure this video is long. I'm pretty sure this video have a little bit of length to it. Y'all keep complaining that the vlogs have been short. I hope this one can make up for it a little bit. I hope it wasn't boring. I hope it was entertaining. You know, I hope it felt like a FaceTime call because that's what it felt like to me, especially when I was editing. But yeah, I will see you guys in next week's vlog. If you got this far in the video, comment this emoji that is on the screen right now, because I have no idea what to think of yet. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!